Olekina raised about the land. See, that land belongs to Kenyatta University. Yeah? If government wants to give out part of it, there is a mechanism in law. Because it is the university belongs to is a public university, so government should be ready to talk to the university. I do know, Mr. Chairman, some things that perhaps I may not wish to say too much about it. I was involved in trying to resolve the stalemate late last year, which saw the current VC go back. You know, that history, the history that was there about how the people are being called, surrender, it's all about the land. Problem exactly about that land, being forced to surrender the mother title, which became a problem. And that's why I'm saying there's a better way of doing these things. If everybody is brought on board, and the reasons why you want to take or to give out a portion of land that belongs to Kenyatta University to whomever is explained and makes sense, understood by everybody, it should not be a problem. But as it is today, I am aware that there are some mutations that are being done to half of the 30 acres and the 10. But you see, well, maybe you may have to take a gun unless until the original title, and the council here knows, until the original title is surrendered, you can do all those things. They'll just look like the river won't prepare titles, and no court of law will recognize any title that is obtained without affecting the mother title or effecting changes to the mother title. So for me, my advice is to tell people as it is, because we must tell people the truth. If you want this is the route to go. Don't go it this way. Don't use strong arm tactics. Don't call people and threaten them with this or the other. And I'm saying this sparing the Senator Olekina, because I have some history, some history of what happened, and that is what has actually created this bad blood. There should be, anyway, this thing should have been running smoothly. I believe even the issues, Mr. Chairman, you pointed out about, and you know, I'm happy the chairman is an alumni of Kenyatta University, so he's aware of some place they used to call Kilometer 1, which they used to visit without a lot of trouble. But even our students who are to go to utilize this block, I'm sure it's something that had been well thought out. But apparently, because of the bad blood that is there, and that I think preceded the creation of the hospital, we've continued to experience these difficulties. And we cannot continue burying our hands in the sand. Let's just call the problem what it is. It is not. What has happened is not good. And if actually in the circumstances that then people become so difficult. For me, I think it's a matter that we need to take to the highest level. Call a meeting. Let everybody be there. If you have nothing sinister, if you are not hiding anything, if indeed you are driven by this desire to offer services to the public and to the students are part of the public. So really, why should we be having difficulties? And it's a sorry state that the students at Kenyatta University are now doing their practicals in Kiambu. and you look at the distance.